Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are having fun time. In this video, you will see 9 cool products for fun or be more productive. You can buy these products on Amazon or eBay. The links are provided in the description below. Let's get started. This is a Adonit PhotoGrip QI smartphone grip. It has an ergonomic design, comfortable grip and non-slip finish. It is 2-in-1, with wireless charging option, along with a grip. It only fits smartphone with the size from 4.7 inches to 6.5 inches. So check your smartphone before buying this cool grip. This grip gives you a feeling of a real camera, while in action. It can attach to your existing tripod, and to take a picture from a distance, it comes with a tiny remote. And it works in a range of 10 meters distance. It comes with 3000 meters AH battery, which will charge your smartphone wirelessly while taking photos. Of course, your smartphone should have wireless charging feature. This grip can sit vertically on the table, and you can easily check the battery by pressing button on right side on grip while facing it. It also comes with a mini tripod of its own, which makes it the perfect travel pack to capture all your beautiful memories. You can buy this on Amazon for around $49.99 on a sale price. This is a phomemo MO2 mini Bluetooth wireless pocket printer. It is a thermal printer, compatible with iOS 8.0 and Android 4.0 or above devices. Perfect for learning assistance, study notes, journal, fun, work, and so on. It comes with built-in 1000 mAh battery that lets you take it anywhere. The battery lasts for 24 hours continuously working, and recharges in 1.5 hours, with 1 week standby time. It comes in 5 different colors: black, white, black piano, ice cream green, and pink. You can buy this portable printer on Amazon for around $73.99. This is a RockJam portable MIDI electronic roll-up drum kit. This beautiful and incredibly useful kit is small, and yet sturdy and quick to set up. It is a perfect beginning drummer kit. This drum kit has a USB MIDI connection, which enables musician to upload beats to computer. It comes with 9 sound pads and 2 pedals. The sound pads can generate variety of sounds, such as crash cymbal, high tom, snare, open, close hi-hat, low floor tom, low mid-2, ride cymbal. The pad easily folds, and becomes portable for traveling. It also comes with built-in speakers, and there is a headphone jack to connect extra speaker if you want. It is a perfect music gadget for beginners or fun anytime anywhere. It also comes without inbuilt speaker with a cheaper price, and you can use headphones to listen sounds. You can buy new on Amazon for around $199.99 with inbuilt speakers, and $39.99 without inbuilt speakers. This is CouchCoaster, an ultimate drink holder for your sofa. Perfect way to securely hold all your favorite drinks, hot or cold. It will nicely fit on your sofa, couch, armchair or recliner, fabric or leather. Providing armrest must be at least 14 centimeters wide with gently sloping sides. It is made from BPA-free silicone. It has tacky base, which provides optimum support and integrity for your drink in an adjustable holder. This CouchCoaster will fit mugs and tumblers up to 90 mm wide, and it also comes with an adapter which creates a snug fit for bottles and cans up to 70 mm wide. Perfect solution to prevent knocks, spills and stains. Keep your drink within easy reach. Ideal alternative to coffee tables. Also, you can use it store remote or phone when not using it for drinks. It comes in 5 colors to match your couch. You can buy it from Amazon for around $25. This is a ASUS ZenScreen MB16AC. It is 15.6-inch Full HD IPS with USB Type-A and Type-C port. Its power cable deliver the video, which saves the wire clutter. Note that DisplayLink driver needed for port Type-A. This monitor uses a smart case as a stand. You can use this monitor as landscape or portrait mode. And the content auto rotates on the screen as you change it from landscape to portrait, and vice versa. And for auto rotation of content requires the Windows OS and display widget to be installed. And you have to use the pen to prop this monitor vertically. It provides 220 candelas per square meter brightness with 1920 by 1080 resolution. It comes with ASUS Eye Care technology, which provides flicker-free backlighting, and blue light filter minimizes eye fatigue. It weighs around 1.7 pound and it's only 0.3 inches thick, which makes it very portable and can be a perfect companion for your laptop. You can buy ASUS ZenScreen on Amazon for around $239.99. This is a sleeve ironing assistant. We all know that ironing a wrinkled sleeve can be nightmare. This cool gadget can really make it simple and easy to iron the wrinkled shirt, blouses, sweaters, sleeves or even pant legs for men or women. It is suitable for any size shirts. You can even use this ironing assistant for children's pant legs. It also comes with magnetic mount holder that attaches to virtually any ironing board, which allows you for an easy hold on the side of the board and for discreet storage under the board when not in use. Get perfect sleeves every time, quickly and easily. You can cut ironing time in half. A great gift for your loved ones. You can buy this ironing assistant for around $16.99. This is a JJRC H71RC foldable drone. It comes in a nice portable protective case. It is powered by two 3.7 volts 1000 mAh LiPo batteries. Simple to use and works with one key takeoff and landing. It has an optical flow, which is a feature that allows the drone to hold its position without a pilot's input. The Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission system transmits live images and videos to your mobile device, for a genuine FPV flying experience. This drone is equipped with 90-degree adjustable 1080p HD camera, that allows you to capture high-quality video and aerial photos. It has a flight planning feature, that allows you to simply plan a route on the screen by simply drawing with your finger. Also comes with headless mode. Combined with optical flow altitude hold, headless mode and 1080p camera, the drone ensures the steady flight to aerial photography. Great for beginners and photographers. It comes in black and white colors. You can buy this drone on Amazon for around $49.99. This is a Corsair T3 Rush gaming chair. It has breathable soft fabric exterior that retains minimal heat, and provide you the contoured comfort and support to battle through an intense skirmish or an all-day competition. It also comes with an adjustable padded neck cushion and memory foam lumbar support, both wrapped in plush microfiber. The adjustable lumbar support comes with a memory foam and the playing time more comfortable. So sit back and relax. You can effortlessly set your seat to your ideal height, with 100 mm of movement range, supported by a steel construction Class 4 gas lift. It also has 4D armrests, that allow you to adjust in any direction, up or down, left or right, forward or backward, or swiveled to support your posture. Lock your position with 10-degree seat tilt lock. After a long playing time, you can rest your body with 180-degree reclining lay flat. It is a perfect chair you can have for gaming. You can buy this gaming chair on Amazon for around $505.81. This is a SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher. SwitchBot the bot lets you retrofit all existing appliances or light switches in your home, instead of replacing them. It mechanically turns rocker switch or button on or off. The SwitchBot app available for Android and iOS helps you control this SwitchBot remotely. You can also schedule the time when you want this SwitchBot to take action, and turn lights or home appliances on or off automatically even when you're away. The good thing is that this SwitchBot comes with a replacement battery, and the battery can last for around 600 days with everyday use. The installation is quite easy. Just tape it right next to a rocker switch or button with a 3M sticker. No swapping, no tools are required. A simple and safe installation. You can use the SwitchBot for your lights, fans, coffee makers, garage door, and many more. It also works with SwitchBot Hub, which you have to buy separately. With this hub you control your SwitchBot remotely from anywhere and enable voice control. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, IFTTT. This is a very useful bot to convert your rocker switches into smart switches. You can buy SwitchBot on Amazon for around $29 on sale price. This is the end of the video. Please like the video, if it was helpful, and for more videos hit subscribe button. Thank you for watching.